guys, Property Point Customs here. Just going to do a little startup video of our 30 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine in our CNC 38-foot sailboat. The model number on the motor is 3HM35F. Again, it's a 30 horsepower Yanmar diesel. The boat is a 1988. It's the original motor. We haven't had to do anything to the motor other than the regular routine maintenance, belts, oil changes, oil filter, and whatnot. The transmission for the boat was rebuilt one time many years ago. So far it's been quite reliable. It just literally sips the fuel when you're going. If it's one of those days in a sailboat and you don't want to get out the sails, then you can run the motor and not worry about a huge expense like a lot of larger power boats. One thing we did upgrade is a bigger alternator. We have 3 house batteries in the boat, so we wanted to make sure they kept a good charge as we run refrigeration in the boat also. So this is the control panel in the cockpit of the boat. Right now the motor's got 2,749.8 hours. To start the boat, for the motor, you turn the key on and press the start button. So I'll set up the camera down below so we can actually see it starting. So as you can see, once the motor gets warmed up a little bit, a lot of the old rattle seem to dissipate a little bit. So to turn off the motor, just turn the key in the off position, pull out, and it's as easy as that. So again, it's an original 1988 Yanmar 30 horsepower diesel engine, and again, the things that we do to it is routine maintenance, oil filter, belts, and whatnot. One thing I did notice is it's going to need the belts either replaced or tightened up. And just a short little video. And actually I'll take you down below for a second and show you where the old motor is once it's all tucked away there. So it's actually behind the sorry for the light there. It's actually tucked in behind the staircase going down. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this sort of videos, you may want to consider subscribing.